Every time you hear music from a speaker, something remarkable is happening. What sounds like a full orchestra, a human voice, or a single guitar note is really being rebuilt from pure movement. At the heart of a speaker is a tiny motor. It's made from two main parts, a permanent magnet and a voice coil, a long strand of copper wire wrapped tightly around a small cylinder. When an electrical audio signal flows through that coil, it creates a changing magnetic field. That field pushes and pulls against the permanent magnet, forcing the coil to move back and forth. Attached to the coil is the speaker cone. As the coil moves, the cone moves with it, pushing and pulling the air. Those pressure changes travel outward as sound waves. Surrounding the cone is a flexible suspension system that helps it move smoothly and return to center, while delicate wires carry the signal without tearing as the speaker vibrates. But here's the amazing part. The electrical signal entering the speaker is an exact physical pattern of the original sound. Every note, every drum hit, every breath in a vocal performance is encoded in that signal. The speaker simply turns that invisible pattern back into motion. Louder sounds come from bigger movements. Higher notes come from faster vibrations. Lower notes come from slower ones. And because real instruments produce many frequencies at once, even a single note is actually a complex blend of tones. That blend is what gives an instrument its unique character, what makes a guitar sound different from a piano, even when both play the same note. When many instruments play together, all of those frequencies combine into one incredibly detailed waveform. And somehow, a speaker recreates it all by moving back and forth. That's the beauty of it. Sound reduced to electricity, electricity turned back into air, and from that motion, music is born.